Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we are going to learn how to order a cab in the Uber app. So it's very easy. So let's open the Uber app. Here, click on the Uber app, let it open. It will load and you have to wait for some time depending on your connection. Now it's easy. You just have to register with your Google number, Google account. After that, it will ask you to verify it and do other stuff. Now it's very easy. What you need to do is just click on this search bar. Open the search bar. Here you can see your current location. Here you can see other options like pick up now. Okay, here you can reserve a trip if you want to go somewhere later this evening or some other day. So this is the basic necessity. Next, this is one way. What you can do is sometimes what happens that when you are traveling, you need to stop at several locations. So you can choose this options with stop and add up to 5 stops. This will help you to stop at various places, but the only issue is you will be charged more because of these stops. And let's click on the last option, which is for me. Okay, so what is this? This is the add a rider option. You can also add your another account in this if you want to add or share your ride. Now, basically, it's very easy. Just click on where to option and select where do you want to go. I want to go to Hyan's home. Now, after clicking on this, you can see the available options. Here you will see Uber Auto, Uber Go, Uber Moto, all of the cars and the trucks that are available for a commute. Now, just click on this, search, see the map, see your current location, see the location you entered. Is it correct or not? If not, you can select it and remove it again. After that, just choose Uber Auto, then confirm pickup. And after confirming pickup, it will ask you whether do you want to go or not, and then it will automatically assign you a Uber driver. So this is how you add an Uber and how you want to go somewhere you want to be. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.